Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable require attention for Face ID on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. Now first tap on the back key at the bottom to go back to your home screen. Then we're going to tap on settings. In settings, you want to go down. So go down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Next, you will need to put in the passcode to gain access to this section. Once you have done that, tap on the require attention for Face ID switch to turn it on or off. Now say that if you turn this off, Face ID will unlock your iPhone even if your eyes are not clearly open or looking at the screen. So if you tap on OK, you'll proceed to switch it off. So to improve the security of your device, this function has been switched on by default. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.